Find the coordinates of the points of intersection of the curve 4 plus 5 over y plus 3 over x equals 0 and the line y equals 15x plus 10. I'm just going to start with that curve. 4 plus 5 over y plus 3 over x equals 0. And I'm just going to multiply right through by xy to get rid of the fractions. So I'll have 4xy. If I multiply this by xy, the y's will cancel, so I have 5x. Multiply this by xy, the x's will cancel, so I'll have 3y. And that's equal to 0. And I'm going to call that one equation 1. And then I've got y is equal to 15x plus 10, which is equation 2. And now I'm going to sub 2 in 1. So I have 4x, and then the y, replace that with 15x plus 10, plus 5x plus 3, and I'll replace this y with 15x plus 10, equals 0. And now let's expand out. So I've got 60x squared plus 40x plus 5x plus 45x plus 30 equals 0. Let's tidy that up. So I've got 60x squared, and altogether there's 90x's there, plus 30 equals 0. And I can divide all that through by 30. So I've got 2x squared plus 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So we can factorize that. So we've got 2x and x, 1 and 1. So that's x is negative a half, or x is negative 1. So if x equals negative 1, then y is going to be 15 times negative 1, negative 15 plus 10, which is negative 5. And coordinates of points of intersection, so we can say they're negative 1, negative 5. And if x equals negative a half, so we'll have 15 times negative a half, so that's negative 17.5, add 10, which is 2.5. So y would be 2.5. And so we've got the point negative a half, 2 and a half.